Hello viewers, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Do not forget that our sales is on now. Our sales is on 20% discount. All right, quick one. I want to teach you guys how to make piment Doux whitening lotion. In here, I've already put my base cream and also this lotion. This is what we use to promise it. All right. This is what we're using our glutathione comprime. We're using this one and our base cream. In here, you can see this is it. I just want to make this video quick so that it won't take much of your time. So this is it. All right. So let's begin properly. We'll be using our powders as well. Very simple. We're using four powders. The four powders, I've already mixed them here. And let me tell you the four powders we're using. We're using our vitamin C, and also we are using vitamin C. We are using our kojic acid, and we're using alpha arbutin, and we're using glutathione. All right, you can see my powder is fast ahead melted, because what I use, I use aquatic water dissolver. Let me show you. This is what I use to dissolve my powder. So when you use this to dissolve your powder, it go a long way very fast. Before you know it, your powder dissolve in a second, highest 5 minutes. Okay. So my powders are here, and I said the ideas of the four powders. You all know what is the idea of lightning powders. All lightning powders, they are one goal. The ideas of the whitening powders, they are one goal ideas, and which is whitening or lightning or brightening, just one goals. Or are you getting it? So don't be deceived that, oh, this powder is it. The power might be strong, but the idea of that powder is just to lighten you or whitening you. So it's just come out one go. And don't forget that vitamin C has a is multitaxing powder. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It builds collagen. It brightening and it whitening as well, lightening as well, brightening and lightening as well. Also, are you getting, and it strengthens the skin? Vitamin C. Then in the present, like I said, all they are all having one goals. In the present of MSOs, it's try to make all Beloni disappear in the presence of enzymes, so it tried to make the Melanie disappear. That's the idea. So let me not be that I too rush you for this video, because I want all of you to understand this. It's just a common and understanding way to make this piment whitening lotion. So now this is my powders that I've mentioned already, and this is my base cream and my what is it called, a base cream, and also the lotion, glutathione comprime lotion that I've put here also. So I'm just putting my powder. So you see, now you see, we'll be using our blend prona oil, because very strong as it is, I will be using just half spoon. Look at it, half spoon, which is look at it, you can see. All right. Uh-huh. Then this is our almond oil, so that it can moisturize also. Like I told you, if you're making a lotion, whatever lotion you're making, make sure the lotion also it moisturize. Are you getting it? So look at it, it's still the same size. So teaspoon, which is a half spoon of normal spoon. Okay, now for you to understand what I'm saying, you can see this concentrate is a strong concentrate. When I mean Malawi is a strong concentrate, look at it. It's a Thailand product. Malawi oil is a Thailand product. All right. So we're taking one spoon, half spoon, I mean. All right. So this is another concentrate we're using. With this, we're done. Okay. This is our fragrance. We're using one, which is half spoon. All right. And also, this is our, you know, Sobat preservative. All right. So we done with all this. We done. You just have to blend properly. Blend, 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 blend. All right. Very easy to make this pimentos. It's very easy to make this pimentos whitening lotion. All right. A lot of people will be thinking that, oh, it's something very hard, very no, very easy. Get the right product. So do not forget our sales is on. Make sure you place your order and enjoy the sales. 20% discounts, like I said. So very easy to make this product. Whatever any video you want me to make, just drop it on the comment below that I should make this video for you, because this period is a festival period we're making. Enjoy. You see how this girl is yellow, fine, white, fine, lightning, fine, bright, fine. Nah, money killer. So let's begin.